Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Geeta. This session is for class 10 mathematics, chapter 1 real numbers, and the topic we'll be discussing today is 1.3 the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, starting from page number 11. Page number 11 we have come exercise 1.2. We have completed first sum. Now we shall try the second sum. Second sum is find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into HCF equal to product of the two numbers. So first let's start with the LCM, HCF. We'll find both the values and then we will prove this one. So first term is 26 and 91. So first 26, 91. So let's find the LCM. Start with the lowest prime number, 2 1 times and 2 3 times. 3 will not be divisible by any other number because it's a prime number. It will be divisible only by itself and so 13 1 times. So now for 91, it's ending with 1. So for 91, it is 7 tables. 7 1 time is 7, 8, 9, 2. So 7 3 is a 21. Again 13 is a prime number. So 13, 1 time is 13. So now we have to find LCM. So for LCM, the formula is, we have to write all the factors and with the greatest. For HCF, we have to consider only the common factors with the smallest power. So this is the formula. For LCM of 26 is 26 equals 2 into 13. And for 91, it is 7 into 13. So here we have to write all the factors. So the factors are 2, 7 and 13. 2 into 7 into, and in 13 we have 2 times, but the power is same, 13 power 1, 13 power 1. So we can just take 13, which is equals into 7 into 13 is 182. And for the HCF, we have to take the common ones. The common one is 13 and the smallest power is 13 power 1. So you can just leave it here. So we know the LCM value and HCF value. So HCF is equal to 13 and LCM equals 180. Now we have found LCM and HCF. The next step is to verify that LCM into HCF equal product of two numbers. Two numbers is 26 and 91. So next step. So now we have to prove that LCM into HCF equals product of two numbers. LCM is 182 into HCF is 13, which is equals product of two numbers is 26 and 91. That is the question. So 26 into 91, which is 182 into 13 is 2366 and 26 into 91 is 2366. Let's try for the second sum, 5, 10 and 92. 5, 1, 0, 5, 10 and 92. similar type. So let's start with 510. So let's first find the LCM. So LCM for 510. So since this is ending with 0, so we can take it with 2. 2 2s are 4 and the remaining is 1. 2 5 times is 10. Remaining is 1. 11. So 2 5s are 10 again. Now this is ending with 5. So we have to go with 5 tables. So 5 times is 25 and 5 1 times is this one. Again this is ending with 1. So let's try with 3 tables. So 3 1 times is 3, remaining is 2, 3 7 times is 21. Now that we know 17 is a prime number, so we can directly take it as 17 1 time is this one. Now for 92. 92 it is, since it is ending with 2, we can take it as 2 4 times is 8, remaining is 1, 2 6 times is 12, 2 2 times is 4 and 2 3 times is 6. And this is ending with 23 and 23 is a prime number, so we can directly take as 21. Now we need a formula. So for LCM, you have to take all the factors and with the, if there is any common factors, then you have to take with the greatest power. For HCF, you have to consider only the common factors with smallest power. So for 510 equals 2 into 5 into 3 into 17. 2, 5, 3 and 17. So arrange this in the ascending order. 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. And for 92 it is 2 into 2 into 23, which means 2 square into 23. Now let's do the LCM. So LCM equals, so what are the factors we have here? 2, and we have 2 2's, but the greatest power is square. So 2 square into, we have 3 and we have 5 and we have 17 into 23. So we have to write all the factors. So 4 into 3 into 5 into 17 into 23. 2 square is 4 into 3 into 5 into 17 into 23. The answer will be like 2, 3, 4, 60. And for HCF, we have to write only the common factors. Common factor is only 2 and the smallest power for 2 is 1. So HCF equals to 2. So we got LCM as 2, 3, 4, 60 and HCF as 2. Now what we have to verify? We have to verify LCM into HCF equal to 510 into 92. So let's do that. 23460 into 2 equals 510 into 92. So when we do this, the value will be 46920 and this is equal to 46920. We have verified it. Okay, now let's start with this sum, 336 and 54. So we will find the LCM and HCF first. So for 336, so it's ending with 6, so it is divisible by 2. 2 1 times is 2, remaining is 3, so 2 6 times is 12 and the remaining will be 1 for 13 and 2 8 times is 16. Now again, it is ending with 8, so it will be divisible by 2. 2 8 times is 16 and 2 4 times is 8. Again it's ending with 4, so 2 4 times is 8, 2 2 times is 4. Again it's ending with 2, so 2 times is 4 and 2 1 times is 2. Now this is 21, ending with 1, so it will not be divisible by 2. So next it is, let's try with 3. So 3 7 times is 21 and 7 is a prime number, so 7 1 times is 7. Now let's try for 54. Now let's do this for 54. So 4 again, it is ending with 4. So 2 times is 4 and the remaining was 1. 2 7 times is 14 and ending with 7. So it will not be divisible by 2. So 3 9 times is 27 and again 9 it is. So 3 times is 9 and 3 it is 1 time. So now we have to find the LCM. So what is the formula for LCM? So for LCM it is, we have to consider all the factors and with the greatest power. So it is all the factors with greatest power, and for HCF it is, we have to consider only the common factors with the smallest power. For 336, we'll start with the LCM. So for 336 it is 2 into, we can directly even write the power 2 1 2 3 4, 2 power 4, but try to write in the ascending order 3 into 7, and for 54 it is 2 into 3, how many times? 1 2 3, so 3 power 3. Now for LCM we have to consider all the factors with greatest power. If you want, you can write this again so that it will not be confusing. So 2 power 4 into 3 into 7 and 2 into 3 power 3. So now, so for LCM we have to consider all the factors. So what are the factors here? Here it is 2 into 3 into 7 and the greatest power for 2 4 and the greatest power for 3 is 3 and for 7 it is 1. Whereas for HCF we have to consider only the common. So the common ones are 2 1 3. So 2 into 3 and the lowest power. For 2 the lowest power is 1 and for the 3 it is 1. So which means for LCM it is 2 into 2. 2 4 times is 2 into 2 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s is 16. Into 3 power 3 is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 into 7. And in this 2 into 3 is 6. So which means 16 into 27 into 7, the value is 3024. So LCM equals to 3024, whereas HCF equals 6. So now next step is we have to verify that LCM into HCF equals to the product of two numbers. The two numbers is 336 and 54. LCM into HCF equals product of two numbers. So what is the LCM value? It is 3024 into HCF is 6, which is equal to product of two numbers is 336 and 54. It's in the question. So 336 into 54. So the value of 3024 into 6 is 18144 equals 336 into 54 is also 18144. So this is verified. This is how the sums are done. Exercise 1.2 second sum is done by this method. Do try these sums. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments. I'll try to solve it. And don't forget to subscribe to get the updates. Thank you for watching.